Yep, in this video we'll cover the second way to create the groups and users. So instead of creating multiple users and multiple groups, so shortcut way is to create the simple groups, right? So I'll create one more alt here. So I'll just name it as cat tech. Done. So you will find your alt over there, and here users and groups. Let me just grab the users. Only admin is available. I'll add few. So with new users, I'll just select the predefined users which I already done before. Okay, permissions I'll define later. Once you define your users, go ahead with groups. The groups, I'll add only 3 groups. First one is designers. Right, and the second one is I'll define it as document control, and one more, last one, manufacturing. Now time to assign permissions and users there. So for the designers, just open it, and group members, I'll select it from here. The designers, I'll select admin and a few others. For the administrative permissions, I'll define few of them. As you could see, can accept, and then can update the search favorites, and must enter, and the folder permissions only few. And remember the selections. This might help you to deal with creating groups and users and defining permissions while you are doing this work. So for the designers, this is done. And for the document control, group members, I'll select few from here. Right, and for the administrative permissions, for the document control, it's done. The folder permission, I'll define three of them. Read file contents and materials, bill of materials, as well as form, and one more. So manufacturing and the group members, we set administrative permissions as well as folder permissions as defined here